Hey guys, Coleman McLaughlin here with Trim Illusion. Want to display our new replacement mirrors for the Toyota Tundra. This is both the MC329 in chrome or the MC6329 BLK in gloss black. So whether you have a limited and with the chrome mirrors and you want to do a chrome delete, you have the unpainted ones and they're faded, and you want to make them chrome or gloss black, whatever it is, we have you covered. Remember that these mirror covers pair with our patented snap-on door handles, the DH301 in chrome or the DH6301 BLK in gloss black. Here's a quick install video, super easy install.